Sensei, I am ready for today's outdoor training. I brought my sunglasses.
Hello, Rio. Usually I admire your energy, but did you look outside?
Look outside. Why? Is there a dragon?
No dragons today. Just look at the sky. Before we step out, we need to master the art of reading the air. Literally. Welcome to the English Dojo.
Let's do this. Oh, wow. Look at that view, Sensei. The English Dojo mountains look amazing today. I am so glad we decided to do a hiking session.
Indeed, Rio. Fresh air is good for the mind. However, I am looking at your outfit. Are you sure you are dressed appropriately?
Of course. T-shirt, shorts, and my lucky running shoes. It is summer, right? It is going to be hot.
Is it? Rio, before you left your house, did you ask yourself the most important question?
Yes, I asked, do I look cool?
No, Rio. I mean the question, what's the weather like?
What's the weather like? I assumed it was sunny. See, the sun is... Wait, where is the sun?
Exactly. Look up. Those clouds are dark gray. The wind is picking up. I checked the forecast this morning, and it looked quite different from what you are expecting.
The forecast? You mean the weather prediction on the phone app?
Yes, the forecast. It predicts the weather conditions. It said the temperature would drop significantly by noon. It is already feeling a bit chilly, isn't it?
Chilly? No way. I'm a warrior. I don't feel... Okay, maybe just a little bit. My arms are getting goosebumps.
Chilly means unpleasantly cold. Not freezing, but enough to make you shiver if you're just wearing a t-shirt.
Okay, maybe it is a little chilly, but it's just clouds, Sensei. It won't rain. I'm sure it will clear up soon.
Clear up. Good phrase. We use that when we hope the clouds go away and the sun comes out. But looking at those clouds, I don't think it is going to clear up.
Have faith, Sensei. Look, I see a tiny piece of blue sky. Oh, wait, that is gone.
Rio, did you feel that drop?
Feel what? A raindrop? Yeah, just one. It's nothing, just a splash.
One drop becomes two, two becomes a million. We should probably head back to the shelter.
No, we can handle a little water. It's refreshing. It's just drizzling.
Rio, look behind you.
Whoa, okay, that is not drizzling. That is a wall of water coming towards us.
Run, Rio. It's going to start pouring any second now.
Pouring? You mean like pouring water from a bucket?
Exactly. It's pouring means raining very heavily. Move.
Ah, it's so cold. Run, Sensei, run.
Quick, get under the dojo porch.
We made it. Barely. Wow, you were right. It is absolutely pouring out there. I can't even see the trees.
You see, Rio? This is why we checked the forecast. Now you are soaking wet and shivering.
Yeah, I really regret wearing shorts now. It's definitely not scorching today.
Scorching. That's the opposite of today. Scorching means extremely hot and burning. Today is definitely chilly and wet.
I should have brought a jacket.
You should have bundled up. When the weather is cold, we bundle up. It means to wear layers of warm clothes.
Bundle up. I like that. It sounds cozy. Next time, I will bundle up like a snowman.
Well, since we're stuck here watching the rain, let's turn this into a learning opportunity. The storm will pass, eventually. It will be just a breeze.
A breeze? You mean wind?
A breeze is a light, gentle wind. It's usually pleasant, unlike this storm. But for now, let's dry off and review what just happened.
Good idea. My brain is ready, even if my body is frozen.
Excellent attitude. Welcome to the Sensei's Corner. Let's break down the the vocabulary we just used.
I'm listening, Sensei. Break it down.
First, the most essential question. Repeat after me. What's the weather like?
What's the weather like?
Precisely. This is how you ask for a description. You don't say, how is the weather like? That is a very common mistake.
Wait, really? How is the weather like is wrong?
Yes, you can say, how is the weather, or what is the weather like? Never mix them.
Got it. What is the weather like?
Correct. Next word, the forecast.
The forecast. That is the prediction, right?
Yes, a prediction of future weather. Pro tip here, Rio. Native speakers often just say they are calling for rain. It means the forecast predicts rain.
They are calling for rain. Cool. I will use that.
Next phrase, it's pouring.
It's pouring. That is what happened to us. Heavy rain.
Correct. The mistake to avoid here is saying it is raining strong. We don't say rain is strong. We say it is heavy, or we say it's pouring.
Not strong rain, heavy rain, or pouring. Understood.
Next is chilly.
Chilly. That is how I feel right now.
Unpleasantly cold. Pro tip, if it's just a little cold but nice, you can say it's crisp. But if you want a jacket, it's chilly.
Crisp is nice. Chilly is brr.
Exactly. Next is the opposite, scorching.
Scorching, like fire.
Yes, very hot. Don't just say very hot every time. Scorching adds emotion. It means the sun is burning you.
Today is definitely not scorching.
Next phrase, clear up.
Clear up, to stop raining and become sunny.
Yes, it's a phrasal verb. We often use it with hope. I hope it clears up.
I hope it clears up so I can walk home.
Next is bundle up.
Bundle up, put on warm clothes.
Yes, think of a bundle. You wrap yourself in layers, a scarf, a coat, gloves.
I need to bundle up next time.
Finally is a breeze.
A breeze, a nice gentle wind.
Yes, and here's a Sensei pro tip. We also use it's a breeze to say something is very easy.
Oh, like learning English is a breeze?
With the right practice, yes. Now, are you ready to drill these into your memory?
I was born ready. Let's warm up with some repetition.
We will do 2 rounds. Round 1, slow and focused. Focus on your pronunciation. Round 2, normal speed, like a native speaker.
Roger that.
Phrase 1, slow. What is the weather like?
What is the weather like?
Fast. What's the weather like?
What's the weather like?
Phrase 2, slow. I checked the forecast.
I checked the forecast.
Fast. I checked the forecast.
I checked the forecast.
Phrase 3, slow. It is pouring outside.
It is pouring outside.
Fast. It's pouring outside.
It's pouring outside.
Phrase 4, slow. It is getting chilly.
It is getting chilly.
Fast. It's getting chilly.
It's getting chilly.
Phrase 5, slow. It was a scorching day.
It was a scorching day.
Fast. It was a scorching day.
It was a scorching day.
Phrase 6, slow. I hope it clears up.
I hope it clears up.
Fast. I hope it clears up.
I hope it clears up.
Phrase 7, slow. You should bundle up.
You should bundle up.
Fast. You should bundle up.
You should bundle up.
Phrase 8, slow. It is just a breeze.
It is just a breeze.
Fast. It's just a breeze.
It's just a breeze.
Good work. You are warming up now.
Yeah, I feel the fire of knowledge keeping me warm.
Then let us put that fire to the test. It is time for
the sparring session.
Bring it on, Sensei.
Scenario 1. You are calling your friend Mike. You were supposed to play soccer in the park, but the weather is bad. You need to cancel and explain why.
Got it. Calling Mike. Ring ring.
Hey, Ryo. I am at the park waiting for you. Where are you?
Hey Mike, I can't come. Have you looked outside? It's pouring.
Really? It is just a little cloudy here on the other side of town.
No man, check the forecast. It says it's going to rain all day. It's really chilly too.
Oh, that's too bad. I really wanted to play.
Me too. Maybe if it clears up later, we can meet?
Sounds like a plan. Call me if the sun comes out.
Will do. Stay dry, Mike.
Cut. Excellent usage, Ryo. You used pouring, forecast, chilly, and clears up. Very natural.
Thanks. I felt like I really didn't want to play in the rain.
Now, round 2. This is the unexpected challenge.
Oh no, the surprise attack.
Scenario. You are planning a trip to the beach for next weekend with your family. I am your sister. I am worried it will be too hot. Convince me it will be fine.
Okay, sister. Hey Sarah, I booked the beach house.
Oh, Ryo, I don't know. I heard next week is going to be terrible. Isn't it going to be scorching? I hate sweating.
Scorching? No way. I checked the forecast. It says it will be, sunny but nice.
Nice? I don't trust nice. What if there is no air?
No, don't worry. There will be a breeze. Yes, a cool ocean breeze.
Well, okay, but what if it gets cold at night?
Then we can, bundle up. We will bring sweaters for the evening bonfire.
Okay, that sounds acceptable.
Phew, did I pass?
You did. You adapted well. Using breeze to counter scorching was a smart move, and bundle up for the evening was perfect practical advice.
Yes, I am the weather master.
Don't get too confident. The weather is unpredictable. Speaking of which, look.
Hey, the rain stopped. And is that the sun?
It seems it finally cleared up.
Awesome. We can finish our hike.
Indeed. But first, Ryo, before we go, tell the students what we learned today. Summarize the mission.
Attention everyone. Today at the English Dojo, we mastered the weather.
Be specific, Ryo. List the techniques.
Yes, Sensei. We learned to ask, what's the weather like? We learned to check the forecast so we don't get wet. We know that when it rains hard, it's pouring. When it's cold, it's chilly. And when it's super hot, it's scorching.
Go on.
We learned to hope that the sky will clear up. We learned that we need to bundle up when it's cold. And finally, we learned that a gentle wind is just a breeze.
Flawless summary. You didn't miss a single one.
Does that mean I get a badge?
It means you get to lead the way up the mountain.
Fair enough.
To our students, next time you look out the window, don't just see rain or sun, see an opportunity to practice your English.
Leave a comment below telling us what is the weather like in your city right now. Is it scorching? Is it pouring? Let us know.
Keep training, stay curious, and we will see you in the next session.
See ya!
Goodbye.